Hey you guys, welcome back. Before we even get going, let's cue the timer. Today I'm going to show you how to get a frizz-free twist out every single time. This video will be broken up into two parts. The first video, we're going to focus on the twists and the products. On the next video, I'll show you how to undo your twists and get that fluffy, frizz-free look that will last for days. Okay, some of the products I'm using: Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In Conditioner, oil or cream, flaxseed gel, a water bottle just in case your hair starts drying. You want to make sure you keep it moist, hair clips, and some type of brush. All right, my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, finger detangled, and I've separated it into 4 sections. I do all of this while in the shower. I usually start with the back of my hair. Remember, it's wet. You want to make sure it is wet. Key point. I take a small to medium-sized piece of hair, add in my leave-in conditioner, and apply it from the root all the way down to the ends. Next, I add in oil. The oil is going to lock in that moisture. And lastly, I use my homemade flaxseed gel. If you haven't had a chance to look at my homemade gel, check it out. The link is listed below. Now, when applying this gel, make sure you get a decent amount. Apply it from the root all the way down to the ends. This gel is the secret sauce, if you will. It's what helps prevent frizz and keeps it holding longer without all of that icky flakes and stuff. Okay, now that all the products have been added, go ahead and twist all the way down. I try to make my twists super tight so that they're chunky and juicy looking. When you're done with that section, move on to the next. I usually do back, front, back, front. There's no right way, that's just my method. And there you have it. Look at those juicy twists. I can normally tell when I'm gonna have a bomb twist out simply by looking at the twists. These right here are gonna be really nice. I usually air dry my hair. I'm trying my best to stay away from heat at all costs. That includes blow dryers. It takes all day to air dry, so I try to do my twists in the morning. Once they're dry, I leave them just like this in its twist. I put on my silk hair cap and go to sleep. All right, you guys, your twist should look something like this. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video next week. I will show you how to separate your twists and get that full body look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Natural Mama Jax. Later.